Hi, I'm Dan Simcock. I am the communications manager at LaPointe Insurance, and I'm here to just sing the praises of Namra Consulting Group. I have been working with Namra Consulting Group for over 2 years now, and I have nothing but good things to say about them. I feel like with LaPointe Insurance, we do some unique marketing content, and we try to step up our game every single time. And every single time, Namra is right there to help us out, figure out what the hell we're doing, and just always deliver. Whether it's, the videos that we film, whether it's in the pre-production, helping us figure out how to even achieve what we're trying to do in our heads. They're always there every step of the way. Justin, the videographer, the guy behind the camera right now, I can't say enough about him. Just the sweetest guy, so kind, so professional. Taylor, Taylor Casciola has always been there to help with marketing strategy. Whenever I have a question, I can just reach out to him, and he's always there to help guide us. And then Sahil is a really great advisor when it comes to SEO and any sort of search engine optimization, any Facebook ads. So the whole team are there to help. They're just a great team to work with. I'm so excited to work with them every single time. I will say that making videos is not easy, and especially when it comes to working with people who this isn't what they do on a day-to-day basis. It can be hard to coach people how to speak on camera and how to be their most authentic selves. And I will say that working with Namra Consulting Group, the vibe on set is so relaxed. You can always trust Namra to come in and try to get the best performance out of everybody who is on camera here at LaPointe Insurance. We have a lot of people who don't love to be on camera. That's probably 90% of the people in our office. And it can be hard to get them to get out of their shells, break out. And I feel like Justin, Taylor, everybody who works behind the camera just does a really good job at making everybody feel relaxed, make everybody feel comfortable being their best selves.